Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix UAC requires password for Windows Administrator account. Type secpol.msc in Windows search bar. Click secpol.msc. Click Local Policies. Click Security Options. Select User Account Control, Behavior of the Elevation prompt for administrators in admin approval mode. Select Elevate without prompting. Click Apply, OK. Restart system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.